If you end most of your days mentally fried and dread that what's for dinner scramble, I know you've been there. I know I have. This channel, it's for you, right? So, meal planning, it's not about discipline or even learning how to cook better. It's about removing decision fatigue from your busy weeks, your busy months, which become your busy year, right? Now, this channel used to be Helmut's Kitchen. I taught a lot of cooking recipes, shared a lot of sea stories, but over time, I started realizing the value wasn't just in the recipes, right? It was the systems behind it all. So, I learned how to plan meals at scale in the culinary school in the US Coast Guard. It was like 16 weeks of cooking, 16-hour days, a ton of dishes. You see me with my buzzed haircut, super skinny. I got to see some pretty crazy stuff in the Coast Guard, like all these bales of flour off the coast of Central America. Kind of crazy, honestly. But Meal Planning OS, it's a repeatable meal planning system. It's designed for busy people with busy weeks, right? So you can actually focus on what matters in life. Now, I'm going to teach ways to build repeatable meal planning systems, some grocery list frameworks. I put together a grocery list blueprint, for instance. It should be linked somewhere down below. I've got simple routines you can plug right into, right? Now, this is all meant to save you hours per week, which accumulate into months and a solid year of productivity, right? Most importantly, though, it's to reduce the amount of decisions in your life. You make 100, 1,000 decisions every day. You don't need to come home after a busy day and make another decision. This is for you if you're a busy professional, a parent, just a busy human in general, right? Who wants to spend more time thinking about how much energy they're gaining instead of all that food the entire day, right? You're in the right place if that's you. Now, you can subscribe if you want your week to feel easier before it even starts. And you can start by watching this video. I'll link it somewhere above.